I test lots of old computers on my channel just to see how they run here in 2019. Everything from my Core 2 quad video that I did with Definitely Tech and Oz Talks Hardware, as well as my Dell Optiplex videos. Both of those videos are going to be linked in the description below if you're interested in checking them out. But both of those videos I had to suffer through some idiosyncrasies of older computers, one of those being USB 2.0. Modern computers are all the way up to Type-C and Type-A USB 3.1. So the USB 2.0 is quite outdated and the read and write speeds are super slow. And when I'm testing games, I'm using this little USB SSD from Western Digital, the little 500 gigabyte hard drive that I store all my games that I like to test on, so I don't have to download them on every computer that I build or I'm testing on the channel. And when I'm testing these games on those older PCs, the transfer rates on these are horrible. So I found a great way that you can update your old computer, make it just a little bit snappier if you are trying to look for a faster way to transfer through USB, or maybe you just need more USB ports. This is a great little device for you. This I found on Amazon for $16. This is from Rosewell. It was the most reputable brand I could find. There's several others on Amazon for around the same price. I recommend this one because Rosewell is a brand I can recommend. This is a 4-port external USB 3.0 PCI Express card. So this little card plugs right into the PCI Express slots on your computer. I have it plugged into the X8 slot right below my graphics card in the Dell Optiplex that I tested a couple videos ago. On the card here, they have the option where you can plug in a Molex to give it some extra power, just in case that's needed. And for $16, I have to say this was a great investment for my future videos and testing older hardware. So I put this to the test and to see if this is at all comparable to a normal USB 3.0 header on a computer. So I loaded up Crystal Disk Mark, the benchmark for hard drives and SSDs. First thing I did is I plugged this little portable SSD into the USB 3.0 header on the front of my modern day computer, the one that I use every single day. And I ran that Crystal Disk benchmark, and as you can see, the read and write speeds are pretty all right. We have the first sequence of 243.6 megabytes a second, and writes we're looking at 88.16 megabytes a second. Then once that benchmark was done running, I put the SSD into the Dell Optiplex and did the same Crystal Disk Mark benchmark. And that one, you can see my pain right here on these results, quite a lot lower than what I was getting on my modern day computer. With the read speeds dropping all the way down to 33.87 megabytes a second and write speeds at 20.13 megabytes a second, transferring a 50 gigabyte game was not fun and had to be run overnight. So now we have our $15 solution, the Rosewell PCI Express card with the 4 USB ports. Plugged that in, ran the disk mark, and as you can see, these speeds are a lot better and very comparable to the normal USB 3.0 header I have on my modern day computer. So I have the read speeds of 240.4 megabytes a second and write speeds of 97.07 megabytes a second. And these write speeds are actually a lot faster than my primary computer. It could be that it is plugged into the X8 PCI Express slot, or it is within the margin of error. I'll leave that up to you. But still, these are very respectable and a great upgrade for only $16 on Amazon. Definitely recommend this Rosewell one, which I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase it. These are not affiliate links, just to help you guys out. I'll leave that in there for you if you do want to use this. It's great if you just need more USB ports, or if you are still running on that older hardware and you want to upgrade it a little bit and give it some more life. That's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to put this out there as a public service announcement for you. For any of you that are using those older computers, or if you just need more USB ports, I think this is a great little option for you for only $16. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you want to see more from us, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video.